Welcome to Ain't Scared Garage. We got a clunk in the rear. Stand by. I got Paul getting up in the truck. We got to figure out what this clunking is under this sucker. I have a suspicion it's that shock right there. I don't know if you remember, but the hole was wallowed out. And I thought, we'll just throw it on there and tighten it up. All right, Paul. Don't rev it. Dang it, what is that? All right. Turn. All right, shut it down. Appears to be coming from over here. It may just be the U-joint. Let me take a look. I'm trying to get here so we can get some good light. There we go. Look at this right here. That bolt isn't even tight. Let me see if I can't focus in on that a little bit. I know it's hard to see. But yeah, that bolt's not even tight. This one here isn't tight either. Wow. Okay, this was way out, didn't have the thing on. These are so loose, it's not even funny. Now, what I'm going to do, this one was way loose. Alright, I'm going to get the other two done. It's tightish. Yeah, how about this one? That one's tightish. I'm going to redo this later, but for now, just want to see if I can stop that clunking. That does not surprise me. Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. Well, anyway. Well, I just checked it. Tightened up the drive shaft and no more clunking. Oh, that was an easy one. It doesn't surprise me. The stuff I find on this truck is just amazing. But she's getting there. She's getting there. Well, I'm back home now. Now what I want to do is I want to take those bolts out one at a time. Put Loctite on them. But put the blue Loctite on. You have two different kinds of Loctite. You have the blue Loctite and the red Loctite. The red Loctite is for stuff that you never want to take apart again. The blue Loctite's for everything else. Because I may, and I'm positive, want to take this drive shaft out for some reason again. I hope the wind's not making too much noise, but it's a windy day. What size was this again? Let's see. How about that first one? 12. So, yeah, I put them on pretty tight. I don't like things coming loose. So let's just do this. What I'm going to do is I'm going to do this one bolt at a time. Off of there, you. Why it's so tight and why it didn't. I just got 12-point wrenches, so last thing I want to have happen, the drive shaft come flying out of here. I already had a wheel come flying off it. I'm slowly fixing these things. Alright, come on now. Socket would be nice if I had a 12-point, but I don't. Come on, you get off of there. I bought these ratcheting wrenches a while ago, and I keep forgetting that I have them. Let's see if this 1/2 inch will do it. Yep, the 1/2 inch will do it after I loosen it up. This is actually a 12, but my niece has my 12 ratcheting wrench, and I want it returned, niece. You know who you are, and you watch the channel. Anyway, I'm gonna get away with the 1/2 inch here, if I can get around. All right, so now I'm gonna take this blue Loctite here, take the cap off it, and I'm gonna put a couple drops. Let's get into the sun where you can see it. A drop, right? It would appear this one's never been opened. Open now. It's all over my damn pliers. Wonderful. Blue, what the hell? That's most of it off. Alright. Take two here. We're going to take this blue Loctite. I'm just going to put a couple drops on. Put one there, one there. And if you put 3, 4 drops on, it's probably too much, but that's fine. Whatever. You just want to make sure that it's going to stay where it is. And it's all liquidy. You see how it runs around it and everything? And then once we put it in, it's going to put it on everything. That'll get it to stay. Now the chances are that this thing was never tightened down properly in the first place. You know, that's kind of the case with a lot of stuff on this truck, but that I don't know for sure. Yeah, I'm gonna get away with this one here, but I'm not gonna try to tighten it down with this one. I don't want to mess up my ratcheting wrench. All right, put that there. Now we're gonna do this regular 12. Bring it down a little bit. And we'll take another wrench. And I showed you this trick before, just so. All right, if you put this on like this, then you have more. You can pull it, and you have quite a bit more oomph on this. Now I'm gonna put this here. I got to turn around the other way, and like that. And I'm just gonna make sure it's good and tight. All right, now put this one over here. Do the same thing to take it off. Put that there. Turn it around, and it's tight. I tighten these suckers down good because I don't want them coming loose. There, now, there. Okay, wrong way. These ratcheting wrenches are awesome. I don't know how I went so long without them, and I don't know why I keep forgetting that I have them. Come here, you. See if I can do this with being upside down. That might be the trick. Nope. Ah, dang it, everywhere. Went every dang where. All in my arm, whatever. Well, there. Let that run down that a little bit, down on the bolt. And then you see what you got. Because once you put it in here and start tightening, it'll get on all the threads and it'll be fine. Get back in there. Now these bad boys ain't gonna be easy to take out next time, but they also aren't gonna fall out on the road. There. Put that on there. Twist it around and make that good and tight. We'll go up here, get this one. Yeah, I'm busting my knuckle already. Whatever. That's typical. Yep. If you ain't busting your knuckles, you ain't fixing nothing. Just because you're wondering, I just put this in and took it out. It didn't tighten up, but I don't know if you can see, but you see how it's spread all through the bolt, and it's all on the threads up inside as well. And that's all you need to tighten that bad boy down. Now, if you're liking these repairs and stuff, and you know, you getting something out of it, you're doing me a great favor, and everybody else on YouTube, to just reach down there and punch the like button. That way, YouTube's going to grab a hold of these videos of mine and show them to more people, so more people can, you know, get something out of it if they do. If I put that the right way. And it'd be a great favor to me. That like really does help the channel. I'd appreciate it. All right, that was nice and that was tight. I got one more to do. Of course, it's the most difficult one because you do the easiest ones first. The harder man would have done the hardest one first, but oh well. Whatever. Oh, this way, dang it. There, now. So we do this without busting a knuckle. That's tighten, is it? That's not. When you're upside down, you think tighten's loose and loose tighten. That should hold now. I shouldn't have a drive shaft flying out of the truck like I had the wheel flying out of the truck. Maybe I'll tell you the story one day. Anyway, I digress, whatever the heck it's called. This is done. The front one is a slip-up joint. Let me show you what a slip-up joint is. This is a slip-up joint. This is connected to the U-joint. It's connected to the drive shaft. All right, now this part here, let's see, this part here, see if I can get this camera, we can see what I'm doing. So this part here, this just slips up inside. There's splines inside of this that match a shaft with splines in there. And this is a seal, and that just slips up in there, and you see it turns in the seal. Probably need to do that seal. This is looking like it's a little rust on there. It might need to be cleaned up and have a new seal in it. It's highly possible. They're easy to do. We'll do that one day. But that's a slip-up joint, so that we're not worried about. This is fine. It was the one on the back with the bolts that... All right, so the one on the back here with the bolts, that was the problem. These bolts were out. You saw they were out, probably an eighth to a quarter inch, all of them. And that's what was making the clunk. You know, when I got under and Paul put it in gear, I just feeling around, you could find it. It was right there. So, supposedly the rear has been rebuilt. When I was down in Kentucky, this thing was a whole quart low on oil. So, I don't know how much truth there is to that, but whatever. If you like this repair stuff, check out this ball joint replacement video right here. You might enjoy that one. Some of you are expecting part 2 of the gauge pod install. That's coming next week. I'm having a little trouble with the video, and I changed something on the oil thing. So until then, see ya.